Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Don't Starve Together Split Screen PC. Start by launching the game and enabling split screen in settings, then connect two controllers or a controller and keyboard, assign player inputs, and choose local or LAN hosting, making sure to set screen resolution and performance options for smooth play. Test controls briefly before creating a new world to avoid surprises. Connect both controllers, then press the Join button on the second controller to add a local player. In Settings, map controls individually and set controller priority to avoid input conflicts, and configure hotkeys for inventory and crafting. Adjust dead zones and sensitivity for accurate movement and test button mappings in a safe area. If one player prefers keyboard, assign keyboard inputs and save the control profile before starting the shared world. Lower graphics settings like shadow quality and view distance to improve frame rate in split screen. Limit active players' view ranges and disable resource-heavy effects like weather particles when necessary. Close background apps, enable VSync only if tearing occurs, and consider reducing resolution or scaling to maintain stable FPS for both players during long sessions. Also check for game updates and verify file integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.